Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to double space in a Canva doc. This is useful for improving readability and formatting your document, especially for essays, reports, and professional writing. Let's get started. On the Canva dashboard, we will first insert some text so we can see the spacing clearly. Let's type this example. To adjust the spacing, all we need to do is click the text box, then click Advanced Settings. Here, we can see all the spacing options. We can drag this tool to choose how much spacing we want. To double the space, we simply double the value under line spacing. We can adjust this to whatever works best for our document. We can also change the letter spacing if needed. Once we are done, we just click Save, and that's how we double space in Canva Docs.